So hey everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. This is my second video on pelling and today we will visit the most beautiful places of pelling. Those who have not watched my first pelling video, please visit the description box and the link will be provided there. Our trip has been started with a beautiful experience with Kanchanjangha waterfalls. Kanchanjangha is one of the largest waterfalls in Sikkim and among the prime pelling tourist places. Kanchanjangha Falls is a perennial waterfall situated around an year drive from Pelling towards Yoksam. It is believed that the pristine waterfalls originates high up in the glacier of Mount Kanchanjangha, the third highest peak in the world. One has to climb a series of steep stairs to reach the base of the falls, but the climb is worth it. This wondrous falls mesmerize all who visit with its pristine beauty and grandeur and has become a leading attraction in West Sikkim. In the rainy season, this waterfalls remains at its full blast and it looks just beautiful. Our second destination was the Khechiopalri lake. This lake is located 34 km to the northwest of Pelling town. The lake is sacred for both Buddhists and Hindus and is believed to be a wish-fulfilling lake. The local name for the lake is So Just So, which means "Oh ladies, sit here." The popularly known name of the lake considering its location is Khechiopalri Lake, in concert in the midst of Khechiopalri Hill, which is also considered a sacred hill. चलो खेची पेटी लोग আমাকে দেখতে ওকে সাইডে রাখো জয় The interesting feature of the lake is that leaves are not allowed to float on the lake, which is ensured by the birds which industriously pick them up as soon as they drop into the lake surface. Our next place to visit is Rimbi Orange Tree Garden. This is one of the beautiful places in Pelling. If you want to have a riverside experience in Sikkim, this is the one. In the winter season, you can see the trees full of oranges. This place is also known as Swallow Rock Garden. Rimbi Orange Garden is a government funded orange garden. Along with the orange trees, visitors can see some cardamom plants and some flowering plants here. It is well maintained and offers a good view of surrounding mountains. In some places, you will see local people selling local fruit juices. There is a small bubbly river along the banks of whose lies the orange garden.
দেখে এসো ওকে নিয়ে।
This is the place where nobody disturbs you and you can spend some quiet time while listening to the sounds of brook and putting your feet in the cold water. Here you can get non-alcoholic orange juices and also you can get different varieties of homemade fruit wine.
ये वाला चेरी का चेरी कौनटा भाई
ग्राउंड है बिल्डर
ये क्या है
ग्रेप्स का है आप लोग जो अच्छा लगा वो
ये
ऑरेंज का है टेस्ट करो ग्रेप्स का है जो अच्छा लगा वो
তুমি এটা পাজল সলভ করো দেখি তো কতক্ষণে করো কতক্ষণ আমরা এটা পাজলটা সলভ করো
ग्राउंड लेवल का एक दे दीजिए
ये वाला नहीं चाहिए
ना वो वाला उतना अच्छा नहीं
ये कौन सा वाला
ये ऑर्डर वाला एक दे दीजिए
पैक करना
অরেঞ্জটা ভালো না অরেঞ্জটা
ऑरेंज का अच्छा नहीं है
ऑरेंज जूस कितना करके
जूस एक ठीक है थोड़ा कम करके
देखिए
এই তোকে এটা দেইনি তোকে এখানে খেলতে বলেছি ঘোরাও 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 এই তো এখানে রাখা আছে তো জানবে না এটা নড়ছে ও ঘোরাতে পারা যায় না ও পুরো তো ঘোরাতেই পারছে না
Now we are in a small restaurant just outside of Orange Tree Garden and they offer two thalis, fish and chicken thali, and if you want snacks it is also available with two veg pakoras, coffee and a plate of momos.
তো আমরা এখন স্কাই
Our last but not the least destination was Skywalk. The Chenrezig statue and skywalk are a tourist attraction in Pelling. The complex houses a 137 feet tall statue of Bodhisattva Chenrezig, the tallest Chenrezig statue in the world. The place is also the location of India's first glass skywalk. The site was inaugurated in 2018 and has since attracted significant footfall. The glass bottom skywalk is situated at a height of 7,200 feet above the sea level, nestled in the Himalayas. It overlooks the Chenrezig statue and the flight of stairs leading up to it. There are golden prayer wheels on the both sides of the stairs. The foundation stone of Chenrezig statue was laid in 2009 and consecrated by Dalai Lama.